umbrella. I just feel got me swimming like a diver. Can't let go, I got plans in Okinawa. My heart to Japan, quake losers and survivors. Norway, no, you didn't get my flowers. No way to say it better, but the killer was a coward. Face just shot.
Hello! Tonight on Downlink Live, we are going to talk about the movie, the new upcoming movie that's coming out. Its name is Mama, such as Yo Mama. Mama is a movie, it is a scary movie. Mama is supposedly about this girl and she gets, I think she gets like parents and then she finds out her real mother and they turn all bad and everything. So it's kind of screwed up, you could say. It's coming out, I think, in the summer of 2013, sometime in 2013. Next on our list, we're just going to talk about generally scary movies. Scary movies are a big part of our life, such as The Exorcist and Friday the 13th. They have been like such big movies because they're just scary movies. They scare people. That's what they're meant for. So right for the next segment, we are going to talk about Korean scary movies with our friend Jaewon Peck. This is our friend Jaewon Peck that I just told you about. He is actually from Korea. So I'm going to ask him a few questions. You're going to learn a little bit about Korean scary movies. So Jaewon, what do you like better, American scary movies or Korean scary movies? And which one is scarier?
I will say I like American scary movie better because it doesn't scare me as much as it does as Asian movies. Because I'm Asian, so when I watch Asians, I just feel like that it's gonna happen to me, for real. So I will like American movie better, but Korean movie is scarier.
So that brings it up. So Korean movie is scarier, but he likes American movies better. Now I'm gonna ask you another question. What is the scariest Korean movie or Asian movie that you've ever seen?
Well, I would say it's Ju-on. There comes like weird women's and it's about like how people see like real person and like real ghosts, and if they are about to die soon, then they see those kind of ghosts. So I think those kind of stories just scares me a lot.
Yeah, he pretty much thinks it's gonna happen to him. So that brings us to our end of Downlink Live tonight. Thank you and have a great night.
I never said I was driving reckless. You and I know the jealousy is not impressive. Oh no, I can't stop, I was destined.